Cognac, take one.
So my first question is then, how and when became your cooperation with our company here in Košice?
Mais quand nous étions à Bratislava, avec le pièce de théâtre In Time,
When we were in Bratislava performing In Time,
In Time, et que c'est là qu'on est rencontré avec
that's how we met with the director, and that's how we started this friendship and
et il
collaboration.
nous a demandé de venir nous rencontrer, de rencontrer avec vous, et on ne sait pas si est-ce qu'on va l'amener. On espère qu'on pourra développer un projet avec vous.
And he asked Paul to come and to meet the company and to see what we can do together, actually.
So, and this was our first class with you. And how do you see our company?
Il y en a beaucoup de personnes qui sont possibilités énormes. Il y a vraiment des capacités physiques et des possibilités dans un travail à développer. Il faut juste à comprendre comment on peut arriver à toucher cette simplicité de mouvoir, et ensuite avec leur connaissance de technique, on pourra faire des choses fantastiques.
But there are many among the company, among the dancers. They are very good, and they are very good technique, and they are very good. You just have to find a balance and arrive to the point that we can find the simplicity between his work and the actual work that you
Et
have
des mouvements
done,
organiques.
and the movement more organic.
Il faut qu'ils sortent de parties démonstratives un peu.
They have to come out of the more like showing themselves, more demonstrative,
Yes.
and more becoming more within themselves and more organic.
Parce que
movement.
nous, on fait un travail plus organique, et on sollicite aussi de chaque personnalité, à chaque être, de son identité et authenticité. C'est très important, identité, authenticité de chaque personne qu'on aimerait bien développer quelque chose.
Because the way we work, we actually develop with ourselves, like with individuals. So we try to bring the best and more from the inside of individual dancers.
Et de l'authenticité de chaque personne.
The authenticality of each dancer. So
C'est le chorégraphe, c'est moi qui va mettre dans une approche globale, avec un sujet, ce que je développe. Mais il y en a énormément de capacités de danseurs et danseuses, danseuses et danseurs.
with his subject, he can bring something out of you, and he find that there's a lot of possibility with all of you to.
C'est aussi comment la compagnie, comment les interprètes acceptent aussi cette exigence ou cette autre approche que nous apportons.
Like how also the company will accept what we have to offer, and the approach to the dance, how we can offer you, and then to see how you will accept that. So.
Pour nous, ça peut être. Mais je crois et j'ai un feeling, j'ai un pressentiment que ça peut être très bénéfice pour nous et pour eux aussi. Pour eux et pour nous.
He have a really great opportunity to share between each other, between him and the company, and we can find many possibilities in working together.
Mais ça va pas être un travail facile.
It's not going to be very easy.
Mais ça pourrait être intéressant.
But it could be very interesting.
Je viens voir la compagnie.
He comes to see the company, and
vous me demandez demi-heure après.
And you ask, 1 hour and a half later, so he cannot really.
Mais c'est vrai, j'ai déjà une idée.
But he already, by this time that we spent together, he already have an idea.
J'ai déjà une idée, et je ne sais pas si je peux dévaler tout de suite. Je voudrais garder aussi en secret, mais c'est.
He don't know whether he could tell you right now, but because he wants to keep it a little bit like.
Mais je peux vous dire que j'ai des idées très claires.
But he have ideas very clear already.
Dans tout cas, j'ai une idée que je veux créer un espace aussi avec une manière, une approche scénographique qui donne aussi un départ. Une sorte de départ.
He wants to create a space
un espace inhabituel.
With a not very usual space with the scenography, and he wants to take that as a départ.
Comme départ, et je compte beaucoup de développer à chaque personne quelque chose de très authentique.
And he counts a lot on developing on each of you bring something out of individually of.
Where do you take inspiration or what influence your ideas?
Oui, c'est vrai, c'est une question intéressante parce que c'est vrai. L'idée me donne qu'il faut que je apporte un sujet, une idée aussi bien entendu que c'est d'abord mental, you know, parce qu'ils sont dans une haute formation, il faut que je ramène sur une départ tout simple, il faut que je ramène tous, finalement il faut que j'écrase un peu tous leur savoir, ramener une plateforme de départ où tout le monde doit reconstruire. Maybe it's difficult.
His idea is because by seeing you, he feels to having that idea of the scenography, he needs somehow to have a starting point.
Oui.
And this starting point
Ensemble,
for him,
ensemble, global.
Globally all together, somehow he wants to erase what you know and try to bring a new material to form you from that depart into
Je
something.
crée un espace, voilà, explique.
He will
Je
create
crée
a
un
space.
espace où chaque danseur, danseuse, duet, solo, trio, quatuor doit être développé dans un renouvellement et qui va écraser la routine.
He will
De la
create-
connaissance. Il va solliciter
wants-
quelque chose
yeah.
de plus fondamental d'eux.
He wants to create a space where each dancer, a duo or a solo, he wants to give the opportunity and also something new, like break the routine, break what you used to do and turn
Fondamental.
it,
Qui ramène something fundamental je voudrais qu'il y ait une sorte de question sur l'être aussi, bien sûr, et après, bon, c'est un peu difficile, c'est un peu too early now.
It's too early for him to speak about it.
Dis-lui que je vais construire un contenu, une sorte de contenu, sujet,
He will create a subject that will
un contenu, mais qui sera pas narratif, mais qui va être abstrait.
is very abstract. It's
Not
not
narrative, you know, but I must write. Dites que je vais
He-
écrire une
yeah.
synopsis, je
He
vais créer
will
un
write
sujet.
down a subject and a synopsis, and then he will develop that, and then he can actually
Mais,
talk about it more.
mais après tout ce que j'ai vu aujourd'hui,
But already he's felt inspired, and he's got something that he will.
après j'ai vu, je vais placer dans un contexte social, politique, culturel, inspiration, futuriste, tu vois.
Now, which your favorite dance technique? Which one you like to use in your work?
Oui, mais moi, ce que j'aime, c'est le travail organique parce que qui touche le plus près de l'être.
He likes to work with things that they are organic because for him is the closest that can touch the soul of the human being. You know, like
Tu dis, c'est l'être qui m'intéresse,
it's the being who interests
c'est
him.
pas ce qu'il sait faire.
It's not what he knows how to do. It's more like the being, the actual, you know.
Et pour cela, je trouvais qu'un travail organique qui va lier leur technique classique sur la projection et l'alignement, c'est très intéressant. Parce que you work many for the bass classique and the very good technique, but ce qui is more interesting after, when we together we compose the moving organic with the projection, this technique, you know. And everybody
Mixing
know.
the organic with the technique, it can be
Et
very
utiliser
interesting.
le technique comme une sorte de projection.
And you are using the technique
Nettement.
like a projection, you know.
Comme les flashs qui s'en va.
So another question is like, we know that you work in many countries, that is France or Japan. Does their culture or people change your mind or inspire in some way?
Yes, every country is every culture and every language is very different. I must look every culture and more feel and maybe read and
Yeah, he was in orphanage, and then that's how he to escape from the whole surrounding
échapper cette fermeture,
closeness. That's why he was imagining and
moving et aussi la langue gestuelle de mes parents qui sont influencés de développer la langue gestuelle parce que mes parents
and
étaient sourds.
his parents were deaf, dumb and
Deaf.
deaf.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
My mother and my
And the
father
father.
is deaf, and I would like find something is not as a
The gestuelle,
language
yeah.
gestuelle, and I develop in the choreography.
You develop like a body language.
Yes, and very early je n'étais pas conscient et j'ai développé.
He wasn't conscious about it, but he was developing into something. Yeah.
Et après les gens me disent tu fais des chorégraphies.
And then he
Really
wanted
rich.
to work with the handicapped children because somehow he wanted to bring something brilliant that they have and to make them feel that they also, even though they are handicapped, they have something very special.
Et montrer qu'ils ont des possibilités.
And they have to show that they have possibility because sometimes we feel like this.
C'est juste une question de contact, de rapproche.
It's the contact with the children and with the.
Non, c'est une question de contact. Comment le faire sortir.
Yeah, it's a contact and how we actually
De possibilités.
the possibility that we can bring out of them this kind of brilliant thing that they can have also, even though they are
Enfin, très simplement, trouver le possible dans le non possible.
very simple to find the impossible where it's not fine to trouver,
Trouver le possible dans l'impossible.
find the possible where things are impossible. Yeah.
Yes, you must find everything you can something. Every people thinks it's finished. It's never finished when we can just see and attentive, observation.
To observe and to be attentive to the
I
others.
work many in the children and just I observe sometimes just very simple, just a geste is enough sometimes pour develop something it's new and possible. I have many people give influence for me for architecture also. Zumthor architect, Adando, many things. My wife, she's architect, you know, and I live with she work for the space and she have many ideas for the utilization of the space, and I see every day the design and also the philosophy. I like very much the work of Gilles Deleuze because for me is fundamental. ABC de Gilles Deleuze for me is the base. And the painting, I like very much Francis Bacon because he's crazy and something special for the body tranché and decomposé is very interesting. His work, and Jean-Olivier Hucler, the peintre, is very for me is the uncle of my wife. Really big influence is Gilles Deleuze. And Jean-Olivier Hucler, peintre, and my wife. Avec le politique, avec la sexualité, avec le tabou. Tabou.
With the taboo.
Yes, je brise le tabou, yes. On brise le tabou.
We cut the taboo actually.
Yes, it's very necessary. An artist, he must avoir la réflexion. Oui, yes, normal.
In general, you know, in these times, and the thing is in crisis, or doesn't matter just dance art or even the
Global.
movie art, global. Yeah.
Global. Je considère qu'ils ont, il y a justement avec des, je suppose, j'observe en Hongrie et même dans l'Occident que justement il faut des artistes comme moi par exemple qui
Sorry, he observes like even in the West and even in Hungary that they need artists like him.
Mais il faut des artistes comme qui résistent.
The artist that is resistant.
Résistent parce que je peux. Mais tu comprends ce que je veux dire?
Ouais.
Je pense qu'il y a beaucoup de que la culture, il devient quelque chose de plus en plus pas important.
He thinks that the culture is becoming less and less important.
Que c'est important jusqu'au moment qu'on peut manipuler les gens avec.
It becomes important when you want to and you manipulate the people with.
Et quand tu peux pas,
that's what they think is important.
Mais cette culture n'est plus une culture. C'est une inquiétude quand même.
Yeah, and this the culture that they don't do this, manipulate the people, then they're
Ce moment est difficile un peu, oui.
This moment, at the moment, it's very difficult. Globally in the culture.
No, globally and particularly in Hungary.
And especially in Hungary.
And you know, nobody. Sometimes I don't understand Nelson and he don't understand me.
Yes.
It's very, no, it's really, I feel now he don't understand sometimes what I want and I don't understand what you know, we must also every day work for notre relation. We are not perfect. And Nelson and me, we must work also for understand and
To understand each other.
it's not easy. Because, you know, Nelson, somebody travel many, but Nelson don't live in Hungary. He don't understand really what's happening in Hungary. He can feel, but I understand more directly, and I can more things for the parallel, what's happening in Occident, what's happening in Europe Central, Hungary and Romania, and here I have more possibility see this. Nelson also, but it's not same because I live quotidiennement.
I'm not European. I mean, I'm Cuban. And,
that is no problem. It's good.
Yeah.
I
know Paul lived and he's older than me, so it's normal that he understands.
I have a direct contact and more. And sometimes Nelson don't understand what's happening in Europe. And I tell him, you are not in Cuba, you are in here. Well, sorry, Nelson.
Right.
But this is.
Anyway, it's good not to understand sometimes.
Yeah.
So.
Et tu peux dire que toi et moi, on est aussi dans le conflit et on n'est pas toujours d'accord.
And sometimes we are not in the same. We have
Absolutely,
conflict with each other.
Oui.
But that's what made us grow together.
That is interesting. There's other culture, other.
It's good to discover, always something new about.
But Nelson feels something fundamental, and he gives confiance for me. What I do when I work for the company, we can do something magnifique, formidable, fantastic. When you and him and she give the confiance, because reciprocal. I give the confiance, and every interpret, every dancer must give the confiance. Not just we want this, and this is not possible. But I can feel, and I think it's. No, I think it's.
And if you can compare, actors with dancers, because you have experience already, like, who do you think is better? With who is more easy to work for you?
Some actors, some qualité, les danseurs.
C'est pareil, je pense.
Non, c'est pas pareil. Non, c'est pas pareil.
No,
it's not same. No. It's not same because actor is not. Actor is more réflexion. He thinks more. Les acteurs, ils ont more réflexion, pour soi-même et pour les autres et pour l'entourage. Les acteurs, ils sont plus conscients de la vie entourée.
The actors are more conscious about life around, the surrounding life around here.
Mais les danseurs, ils sont plus conscients de leur corps dans l'espace.
Yeah, they are more conscious of their body in the space.
Mais ils voient moins l'entourage.
But he sees less the surrounding.
Mais dans mon travail, j'oblige de le voir l'entourage.
But on his work, he obligates them to see the dancers, to see around.
Yes. This is a specialty of my work. I'm sorry.
That's one of his specialties.
I provoke some provocation, something. Open your eyes and look what's happened in the city. Many people are hungry. Many people don't work. Many people. It's not only just it's ballet and this is very good. But what we want ask for, what we want more, not just show my body.
What we want to do more, not just to show your body, no?
Et nous pouvons dire beaucoup avec notre body.
And we can say, it's in English. We can say a lot with our body.
Just we can understand.
We just have to understand.